Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study economics for TNPSC Group 4 Full Guide. Start by mastering basic micro and macro concepts, then organize topics into weekly goals. Use short study sessions of 45 to 60 minutes with clear objectives, and mix reading with active problem solving. Regularly, practice past papers and mock tests to build speed and accuracy. Prioritize weak areas and review summaries each weekend to lock in concepts for exam day. Build a clear list of core topics and follow it methodically. Focus on demand and supply dynamics, elasticity, market forms, and consumer theory first. Then cover macro topics like GDP, inflation, fiscal and monetary policy, and balance of payments. Include public finance and budget basics relevant to TNPSC. Use concise notes, diagrams, and real-world examples to make abstract ideas concrete and easier to recall during exams. Adopt study techniques that make revision efficient and enjoyable. Create one-page summaries for each chapter and use visual aids like charts and flow diagrams. Practice past papers weekly under timed conditions to simulate exam pressure and review mistakes immediately. Flashcards help memorize key terms, formulas, and economists. Keep study sessions balanced with short breaks and gradually increase difficulty as topics become familiar for steady improvement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.